What's up, guys? Justin here. So I bought a house a couple months ago and I had a leaky toilet. So I didn't know how to fix a toilet, so I figured it out. And I want to teach y'all how to do it. Might be some young dads, some new homeowners, and you're just now figuring things out, and hopefully this video can make it a little bit easier. So let's get started. All right, so I was leaking. Here's the inside of the tank. And it was just constantly dripping into the toilet, right? So I replaced the flapper, that didn't work. So now I'm replacing the valve pump. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, I think this was my issue. It is broken and twisted and all that kind of stuff. So got a new one, went to Home Depot. It was 10 bucks to get, so really cheap. You only need a couple tools as well. So I'm literally just using a wrench and a pair of pliers at this point. So I put a towel down, I had to drain the tank to take the old one off. It was really easy, just unscrewed. And so let's get to it. All right, so here we go. Got some pliers right here. And you can't do a proper DIY without proper seating as well. So skateboard, SkateDad, you always have to have some proper seating when you are doing a project. And skateboards are fairly comfy. So, all right, here's a new fill valve. All right, I'm gonna open this up. Let's see what we got here. All right, pretty straightforward. Got my little hose to attach on it and have the seal as well, and for the hose clip. So that's pretty nifty. I already have one of those installed on my toilet, so I won't need that. So basically, I'm gonna take this and that seal right there, and this will screw on here like so. Okay, once I put it in the toilet, right? This actually controls the fill level. You can loosen this and tighten this, and this bobber right here will go up and down to be able to shut your toilet on and off. So I'm gonna pick up the camera and show y'all how to install this. So first, I'm gonna make sure that the inside there is dry, right around that seal. So I'm gonna throw old towel in there, just really kind of wipe around the inside of there. All right, like that. Brand new fill valve. Should seal nice and tight right there. All right. Sweet, that's that part. So here's the bottom of the tank. This is the other side of that valve that I just put in. So I'm actually gonna reach down here and I am gonna screw this on. And from what I understand, this doesn't have to be crazy tight, just kind of hand tightened pretty good, just like that. And next, we wanna install this new hose. So this will attach on the side of the fill valve right here. Probably should have done this before installing it in the toilet, but it should be okay. Let's see if I can wiggle it on there with one hand. Yeah, it's pretty good. And then the other part will go right here. Wiggle that on there. Boom. All right, so tank water, you can see it says tank water right there. So you can twist it, so on, so forth. You can go for that. So the next piece that we're going to do is we are actually going to attach the water line back to the toilet, and I'm gonna see if I have a leak. All right, so here we go. Water line back on. I'm gonna screw this. Let's see. is where I'm actually going to use some pliers to make sure this is tight, because I would hate to have water leaking all over my bathroom floor. All right, that seems to be tight enough. All right, so we are filling right now, which is awesome. No leaks at the bottom at all. And you can see how we're filling. Now my problem prior was my tank just kept on filling and filling and filling, and this little hole right here, it would just drain out that little hole down into my toilet bowl. So it was my toilet was constantly running, and it was making my water bill go up. So I had to fix that. This toilet is super old. As you can see, this part is just corroded and filled with nasty gunk. So who knows? So hopefully, if this fills, shuts off at the right time, depending on this fill valve, it should shut off here in the next 30 seconds or so. And then I should not have a leaky toilet anymore. And this is how you fix a toilet, guys. All right, so my bobber just went up, valve shut off. I have no more running water. I have no leaks around the water access point, and we're not dripping in the toilet at all. Boom, there it goes, fixed toilet. All right, to celebrate, what kind of video would this be if SkateDad didn't run and go do a kickflip on his board? So I'm gonna grab my seat, and here we go. All right, toilet is fixed. Time to kickflip right now. SkateDad, first try. That was the ugliest kickflip I've ever done, but the toilet is fixed. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please give a like, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more DIY videos as well as skating, because that's what I love to do. So, y'all are awesome.